Sony TV apps not working. Fix it now. Is your Sony TV acting up? Are your favorite apps freezing or not loading? It is incredibly frustrating when you just want to relax and watch your favorite shows. But do not worry, you can fix this issue yourself at home right now. By the end of this video, your TV will be running like new again. If you face any difficulty, please leave a comment below. I will reply within 1 hour. Please like and share this video. Also subscribe to TechVibes for more practical tech solutions every week. Let us dive in. Step 1 is a simple power cycle. This is the most effective way to clear temporary system glitches. Unplug your TV from the wall power outlet completely. Wait for 60 seconds to allow the internal components to reset. Plug it back in and turn the TV on. Try opening your apps now to see if the issue is resolved. Step 2 is checking your internet. Most app failures are caused by a weak or unstable connection. On your remote, go to Settings, then go to Network and Internet. Check if your status is connected. If the connection is slow or intermittent, restart your router. A stable connection is vital for smart TV apps. Step 3 is clearing the app cache and data. This is perfect for when a specific app like YouTube or Netflix is acting up. Go to Settings, then go to Apps. Find and select the app that is giving you trouble. Select Clear Cache. If the problem persists, choose Clear Data. Note that clearing data will require you to log back into the app. Step 4 is updating your system software. Outdated firmware is a very common cause for app incompatibility. Go to Settings, then go to System, then select Software Update. Select Check for Update to find new versions. Step 5 is updating individual apps through the Google Play Store. Sometimes the system is fine, but the app itself is old. Open the Google Play Store. Go to My Apps and select Update All to ensure everything is running the latest version. Step 6 is managing your storage. If your TV's internal memory is full, apps will crash or fail to open. Go to Settings, then Apps. Uninstall any applications you no longer use to free up valuable system resources. If nothing else works, your last resort is a factory data reset. This will erase all your data and settings, returning the TV to its original state. You have got this. Your Sony TV will be back to normal now. Just take it step by step. Thanks for watching TechVibes. See you in the next fix. Subscribe for more.